Happiness. Our inner nature is happiness. Peace brings happiness. Happiness does not you get from external objects. You get sensations. You get pleasure from external objects. But happiness comes from peace. Joy comes from peace. External things bring only misery in the end. Only peace and harmony brings an inner happiness. That is our true nature. There is a saying in Tibetan, at the door of a miserable rich man sleeps the contented beggar. So the point of saying is whether you are rich or poor, it does not matter. Happiness is with the contentment of what you have. So happiness may come from wealth, but may not come from wealth. Whether you are rich or poor, it does not matter. It matters from being happy with what you have, being content, having a gratitude. Happiness is very nature of self. Happiness is and self are not different. This is told by Ramana Maharshi. There is no happiness in any object of the world. We imagine through our ignorance that we derive happiness from objects. So that is not a fact, as per Ramana Maharshi. And Osho says, one thing to be happy is not to seek happiness from others. Don't go beg happiness from others. Happiness is your inner nature. Realize it. Be happy. Be happy with yourself. Be content. Be with gratitude. Thank you.